modification number 10 to the 2022 Kawasaki Z900. I installed some ASV levers, the C5 variant. This is the first ride after I put them on yesterday. Able to take the bike out today to kind of test them out, and so far so good. I like the multiple levels of adjustment, and I actually have my pretty aggressive riding gloves on, so these aren't the most kind of flexible or compliant gloves that I have. I have another pair of gloves that are a little bit more flexible. These are more for kind of aggressive street riding, track riding, more or less. So I wanted to test them out with these gloves, and they're pretty good. I have good feel for the brake lever, which is really important. My clutch is pretty good. Slightly shorter pull, I would say, than the stock kind of bar, but I may have to adjust the clutch cable tension just to make sure that it's adjusted properly. But yeah, they feel pretty good. I like the actual aggressive curve that these ASV levers have. Right from the perch, I can really get a good grip. I would like the clutch to maybe engage a little sooner. It kind of engages not quite midway. I like the clutch to engage a little midway through my clutch pull, and right now it's engaging more toward the, 3/4 of the way out. Finish this ride and see if I get used to it. I want to change it. What I really need to do is go into a parking lot and test some of the slow speed maneuvers. That's really where it's pretty important to have your clutch engagement point and the clutch feel kind of dialed in the way you want it. So that's what I'll do. Park and ride a little further up here, pull in there and maybe test a few things out. But yeah, it's not too many additional updates that I really want to do to this bike. I have a few kind of performance related things that I'm gonna do, and a few that I'm contemplating. So I did want to get a season on the stock tires, but for the next riding season I'm gonna swap out these stock Dunlops and probably go for some Michelin Road 6 tires. Doing a lot of background research and heard lots of good things about them. Let's try some trail braking position is almost perfect for me. And I can get, it's really just that middle finger that's getting in there. Adjust my grip just a little bit. Yeah, the feel is really nice. That's the one major thing with these ASV levers is you can really dial the adjustments in to get a really nice gripping position. Let's see. When I get to a stop, I'll bring the brake lever in a couple notches, because I do want to get more than my middle finger on it right now. Yeah, that's just the middle. Actually want to get that index finger right in that bend, so I'll do that. I actually have it perfect on the clutch lever, but I want to get that same distance on the brake lever as well. Okay, so we have the ASV levers installed, and just went for a quick ride to test everything out. And I have to say the multiple levels of adjustment are really nice. I have these things dialed in exactly where I want them. I like the aggressive curvature of the levers. I can get nice index and middle finger right there for good brake feel, good pull. Had to adjust the clutch lever a little bit, not just the distance but the cable tension, just to get it right where I want it. And right now these levers are dialed in just like I like it. So let's go for another spin, finish the ride out. So another successful modification number 10. If you're wondering why am I pulling out of a school parking lot, well, that's one of the things I wanted to test with the clutch levers, the slow speed maneuvers. I wanted to make sure that my engagement was how I like it, and it is now. I like to have the clutch engage about halfway out of the pull, so I had to make a few adjustments. At first I was getting engagement about 3/4 of the way out, so it's just a personal preference. But now these things are dialed in. satisfied with the product so far. Yep, I can get those 2 fingers on the lever, the brake lever, like I like.